What is going on, guys? Sorry about not posting any video lately. It's been a while. I've been busy. So recently I've been asked by one of my colleagues how to create an interface where we can send an email through Laravel, but giving user full control over formatting an HTML5 email template. So I thought about this for a while, and then I built something, and I thought, why not go and share with you guys? So let's take a look at this mailer app example where we can basically emulate a web client, an email client for a third-party web service, for example Gmail or Outlook. So essentially Laravel, if you're using Laravel framework and you would like to send emails or receive emails or queue some emails for the future use, and this video is going to show you how you can incorporate such a functionality effectively and easily. So let's take a look at this application, what it does. So this is just a basic user interface. I didn't spend too much time trying to decorate it, so don't expect too much, just a basic functionality. So one of the first options is send an email. So when we go to send mail, it says you can send an email to anyone, and who do you want to send to, subject and your content. And the content can be edited, and there's a full web editor for formatting your content. So it'll be rendered as a HTML5 email on any device, fully responsive, and it'll look the way you see, the way it'll be delivered. It'll be amazing. So how about we just open up the account I'm gonna send it to, so we can see what's going on. So that's my account, and I'm just gonna create a split window. So we'll try to send an email to this account so we can see what's going on here. Let's just say I want to send it to Zebra Design Studios. It's typing that address for me because I just sent an email recently, and the subject is going to be Jennifer Lawrence article. And I'm just going to go ahead and just try to see about some article about Jennifer Lawrence, her filmography and her film career and her contribution to the film industry, and just try to copy the content, because the way it looks like here, it should be rendered exact same way, and that's what I want. All the images, all the links, to stay intact. So in the background, if you look at the source, it will show you that all this content has HTML tags, and those HTML tags are all HTML5 tags. But it's taking time, but I can tell you, if you look at here, there's a paragraph tag, there's an anchor tag. So anyway, we'll look into this more in detail in the next videos. So we've got the email address, the subject, and the content, and we'll try to send it, and hopefully it goes through. Now in the background, I'm using Laravel framework, so I've set up my SMTP Gmail account and with all my credentials. So it's going to use that account to try to send this email using a third-party web service called Gmail, which is free. And it's going to try to send to this address, the address that I have mentioned here. Let's see what happens. It's trying to do something. It takes a while. So we've got a notification, mail sent successfully, have a coffee. Anyway, that's funny. And here we have an email from Mailer app, which is the name of the person or name of the service, email service, and let's take a look what we actually wanted to send and what it has received here. So Jennifer Lawrence article, subject looks good. Now the content looks exactly the way I wanted to send. All the links are embedded, all the headings the way it was bold or strong, it's still strong, and whatever is italic, it's still italic. So it's been rendered as an HTML5 email. So that's perfect. The reason we want to do that is, for example, if I paste it again, I would like to edit this bit of content here. I can select it and I can remove italicize and I can make it straight. I can even remove the coloring. I can go here, I think this is the color, so I can make it, let's say, red. And you know, so HTML5, full control to the user, so he can edit the content the way he likes, and he can make it look like, oh, that's too bad, go back to the original. Is there an undo here? No, there isn't. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead, Control A and Control V. Okay, that looks better. Anyway, so this is something we're going to try to accomplish in the next couple of videos. I've already done this app, so it's pretty interesting how Laravel gives us an advantage to use the underlying PHP mail function without actually writing anything about PHP mail function. Just by using a simple closure, we can send an email and we can abstract our SMTP details out of it. Instead of hard coding the details there, we can abstract and mention it separately in one other file, which then can be managed externally by anyone and easily. So yeah, see you in one of the next videos where we'll start writing this app. Hopefully it will enlighten you a little bit more about Laravel framework's mail functionality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.